Friends, today is Sunday. When it's Sunday, we think it's our fun day. Some of our friends asked that how do we spend our day? Right now, our exams are over. The new session will be started on April. So, we are mostly free right now. So, every morning we go to the park with our mom. First, we pray to God Shiv. Then, we start to play. Nowadays, outdoor play with friends has reduced. It is because of evolution in technology. Screen time is gradually increasing nowadays. Playing outside gives us the chance to explore the natural environment and have adventures. We can play games, test our physical limit, express ourselves, and build our self-confidence. When we play outside, we get more space and freedom for big movements like running, jumping, etc. We all know physical activities like these are good for our health, fitness, and physical development. When we had to go school before, we could only come at Sunday at morning time. Because our school time was 7 o'clock. The park is surrounded by big trees. So the most of the days is cool and shady. Nowadays we are very happy because we go to the park every day to play. Do you know that spending time outdoors might lower chances of developing short-sightedness? And a small amount of sunlight exposure can help boost vitamin D levels. Every day in the park, we walk around for 10 minutes. Then we choose a semi-shaded area and start doing our exercises. These exercises are taught by our school. Benefits of outdoor playing. Outdoor playing relieves stress, improves brain function, stimulates the mind and boosts creativity, improves relationship, keep you feeling energetic, improve social skill. When we play outdoors, we get some sun exposure. We all know that our bodies need sunlight. The vitamin D that plays a crucial role in many body processes from bone development to our immune system. It has an important role in sleeping healthy and improves our mood. Sometimes we take storybooks where we read stories. When we are outdoors, we have a chance to grow with nature. If we grow up never walking in the woods, digging in soil, seeing animals in their habitat, we may never really understand what there is to be lost. Whenever we go to a park, we meet many new friends there. We need to learn how to work together, need to learn to make friends, how to share and cooperate, and how to treat other people. So, when we go outdoors, we also know how to socialize with people. And whenever we come back home, we always pray Lord Shiva. After playing, we get so tired that we come home with a lot of fun activities. So, whenever you get some free time, try to reduce the screen time and play outdoors. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and watch all the other videos. In the next video, we will only talk about gardening. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.